Hello all. We'll start with our live session today. Hello. Yes. So these are some of the collection of the hand painted collection I have. You can see these are the beautiful masks we have. Then we have this hand painted mask. This pure silk fabric we have. And then this is also another creation. This is also beautifully hand painted. The cost of the mask is only rupees 150. This is also another creation. This is a beautifully hand painted mask. This is also another creation. It's a beautiful hand painted mask. The price is rupees 150. You can see the work over here. It's all hand painted. Then we have this beautiful another collection. This is also beautifully hand painted. You can see the work. It's for 150 each. This is also another hand painted mask. Please turn the camera. This is another hand painted collection. It is for 150. Then we have these masks. These are also for 150 each. You can see the work. They are beautifully hand painted. And then we have this. This is also beautifully hand painted. The cost of the mask is rupees 150 each. This is also beautifully hand painted. Turn the camera, please. This is all hand painted. You can see the work. This is all hand painted. Then we have these masks. These are all beautifully hand painted. You can see the work on the mask. It's all hand painted over here. Then we have this. This is also beautifully hand painted. You can see the work. It is all hand painted work. This is another mask. This is also hand painted. The price is 150. This is also another creation. This is also for 150 rupees only. You can see the work. It's all hand painted. We have ample of designs you can choose from. This is also hand painted. You can see the work on the camera. It's all hand painted. You can see the collection. This is also another creation. This is all hand painted. You can see the work on the mask. These are all hand painted masks. This is for 150 each. The price is 150 each for each mask. This is another creation. This is for 150. You can see the designs. All are for 150. This is another creation. This is the design on the mask. Look at the designing of the mask. It's all for 150. Then we have this. This has been beautifully hand painted. It is also 150. We have this collection. See the work on the mask, it's all hand painted. You can see the art and the design on the mask. It is all hand painted. This is a beautiful lotus on the mask. It is all hand painted. The price is 150 each. Another creation, this is all hand painted. You can see the work on the mask and the designing itself on the mask. It's all for 150. This is another work. This is again for rupees 150. You can see the work. It's pure silk fabric, which is being hand painted. You can see the work. It's very glossy and sophisticated fabric I'm using. This is another design we have. It is all hand painted. You can see the painted fabric and the painting design done. Now we have these paintings on sale. You can see this painting. It is only for rupees 400. It is on Buddha on paper. It is for 400 rupees only. If you wish to buy it, you can take the screenshot and then you can place the order later on. This is another creation. It is a canvas painting. It is for 550. You can see the work. It is all hand painted. It is for 550 rupees only. The offer is for only for today. You can see the quality. It is all hand painted canvas painting. Then we have this design. This is also beautifully hand painted. It is again for 550. All these paintings are for 550 each. You can see the design. This is again a painting. It is for 550. It is an elegant elephant design. It is for 550 each. You can see the design of the painting. This is a landscape. You can see the design of the landscape. Size specification is it is 21 into 90. The length is 21. The breadth is 19. It is for 700 each. It is on canvas. Then we have another. This is also beautifully hand painted. It is on canvas. This is only for 700. You can see it is 22 into 17.5. It is for 700. You can see the work. It is for 700. Then we have this beautiful Radha Krishna painting. You can add it to your home. This is beautifully hand painted. The price is 700 only. It is the Radha Krishna creation. It is for 700 only. Please take a screenshot of the things you like. Then we have this abstract flower art. You can see the work of this painting. This is only for 700. The size is quite big. This is for 700 only. The canvas painting. It is 24.5 into 90. It's beautifully hand painted. Then we have this lady with the figure with a pot. It is 23.5 into 70. It's for 700 only. This beautiful painting is for 700 only. You can see the work, the designing. It is only for 700. Then we have this tribal lady. It is for 700. It is for 700 only. This is another painting. This is also for 700 only. You can see the work. It is just for rupees 700. Then we have this is also for 700. You can see the work. It is only for 700. I will give a mask to you. So you can see the designing of the mask. I'll wear a mask. You can see how beautiful the mask is. See, the work on the mask is so beautiful. It is for 150 only. All the mask, it's a three-layer mask, silk mask, hand painted. It is for 700, 150 only. Then we have few more designs. See, you can see the designing over here. It is for 150. I have another design. You can see it is just for rupees 150. All the masks are for 150 each. Then we have a beautiful stone here that has been beautifully hand painted. You can see the work on the stone. It is all hand painted. It is just for 999. It is all silk fabric, which has been beautifully hand painted. You can see the work. It is for 999. I can wear the stole for you. It looks really pretty when you wear it. You can style it any way you want to. It is just for 999 only. It's pure silk hand painted. Silk has a different softness and we can feel the design. It's all hand painted. You can see the designs. It is a 2-meter stole and it's beautifully hand painted. It's for 999 only with shipping. You can see the fabric. It is all for 999. This beautiful scarf is for 999. Then we have this hand painted silk dupatta. See, it is all hand painted. The dupatta is all hand painted. You can add it to your festive season. It has a gota over here. It is all hand painted. You can see the work from here. It is beautifully hand painted. You can see the work. It's all hand painted. It has a gota over here. It is only for 600 and we have a jewelry also with it. You can see the work. It's all hand painted. This is also silk. There is silk designing on the fabric completely. You can see the work. And you can take the screenshots of what all you like and ping me later. See, the fabric is so beautiful. This has been beautifully hand painted. See the designs. And we have a jewelry with it. We have a free jewelry section with it. We have this earring with it and a mantika. We have this earring set with it. This is free with the dupatta. If you buy this dupatta, you get free jhumkas and mantika. This is free with this dupatta. You can pair it with this mantika can also be paired with this dupatta. It is just for 700, the jewelry and the dupatta. Both are for 700 only. So this is a good deal, you can get it. I will show you the Buddha painting again. This is just for 700 only. Only for 700. It has been beautifully hand painted. You can see the Buddha painting. It is 22 into 17.5. This is again beautiful creation. Add this Radha Krishna to your home. This is again a Radha Krishna painting. It is just for 700. You can see the size of the painting. It can add a beautiful decor to your house. And the leaves over here. This is only for 700. Again, we can start with this one. This is a beautiful hand painted stone. You can see it's pure silk, hand painted. You can see the designing on the fabric. It is just for 999. This stone has been beautifully hand painted. It is just for 999. And then we have the mask. Mask is for 150. To see the work on the mask. The masks are so beautifully hand painted. It is just for 150. All the masks are just for 150 each. Then we have this design. This is all hand painted on the mask. It is a silk fabric I'm using. It is for 150. This is another creation of the mask. This is for 150 only. And we have a lot more to go with the mask. This is another mask. This is also for 150 only. You can see. It's all hand painted. This is also another mask. This is 150 only. You can see. I can pair it with my top also for you. And you can see the work over here. So it's a beautiful design on your face. It is only for 150 rupees. Then we have this. This design is just so pretty. This is only for 150 only. Then we have another design. It's a beautiful feather. It is also for 150 only. This is a pure silk mask. The fabric is beautiful. It has been beautifully hand painted. It's just for one. This is another design I'm showing to you. It is also for 150. You can see the designing on the mask. ये बहुत सुंदर लगता है जब आप पहनोगे अपने क्लोथ्स के साथ. This is beautifully hand painted. The design, the turquoise color on the mask is very beautiful to add it to the decor. And then we have this lotus. This is also for 150. Now we have the painting that you want to buy. This is a beautiful painting. It is just for 700 rupees only. It's today's offer only. 700 only. You can see the finishing of the painting. You can add it to your wall and add beauty to your house. It's just for 700. Then we have these. This is a beautiful lady hand painted. It is again for 700 only. This is a Diwali sale going on only for 700. It is 23.5 into 70. It is just for 700 only. We have best deal. This is just for 550. You can see the work. This painting is just for 550 only. It has all been hand painted. There are vibrant colors in it. It will add a beautiful color to your house. This is only for 550 only. This is on paper. This is only for 400 rupees only. This is a very good deal you can make. Beautiful Buddha hand painted. The style is 22 into 14. It is only for 400 rupees only. You can see the design. Only for 400. This is a beautiful creation you can see. Only for 400 rupees. Then we have this beautiful parrot. It is only for 550 rupees only. You can see the work. It's only for 550. The previous one, it is for 400. 400 rupees only. You can Paytm on my number. It's added in the description below. You can Paytm on the number and add it to your house. Then we have this beautiful leaf. It is only for 700. This painting is just for 700. The 400 one is this one. This is only for 400 rupees only. You can just flat 400. We have this elegant elephant. This is for 550 only. You can see the elephant. The coloring on the elephant. It is a canvas one. It is for 550 only. You can see the work. Just rupees 550. This is also on canvas. They are all canvas paintings. We have this beautiful tribal lady. You can see. We have two Buddha paintings actually. This is on canvas. This is for 700. The one on paper, this one is for 400. This is for 400. And this one on canvas, it is for 700. The size is also bigger. This is on canvas. This is for 700. You can see the work. It is really pretty and very cheap I'm selling for. It's a Diwali offer and price is very good. It is just for 700, you can see. This 22 into 17.5. It is a beautiful hand painted. Then we have another creation. This is just for 550 rupees only. This is an abstract flower. This is only for 550. Just 550. Now I can show you my store. This is only for 999. It is a beautiful hand painted silk store. You can feel the work of the fabric. You can see the work. See, it's all beautifully hand painted. It is just for 999. It is a very good deal you can buy just for 999. It's a 2-meter store. It is pure silk fabric. The fabric is all pure silk. It is just for 999. Then we have the dupatta. You can pair this beautiful dupatta on a festive season, and we have a free jewelry with this dupatta. This deal is only for 700. This dupatta is beautifully hand painted. You can see the hand painted work over here. Over here, I can show you once again. This has been beautifully hand painted. There is lotus effect. It is with this jhumkas and mantika. It is only for 700. There is gota also on this dupatta. You can see there's a lot of gota work. This gota work is there. You can see the transparency of the fabric, and it is with this jhumka set only for 700. You can message me on my number. It's 9877252625. See, this fabric is so good. This is semi silk, and this is the earrings and the mantika combo. These are the jhumkas and a mantika with this. It is all free. It is just for 700 rupees only. 700 for this. With this beautiful dupatta and this earring. This is just for 700. This is only for 700. You can see the work over here. It's all hand painted, canvas painted. It's just for 700. Just the rising sun painting, just for 700 only. This is another tribal lady I have. This is just for 700. You can see the beauty of the work, the finishing, the neatness. It is just for 700 rupees only. You can see the work. It is just for 700. So you have a lot of things from this landscape art. It is again for 700 rupees only. It is a beautiful hand painted. The size is 21 into 19. It has been beautifully hand painted. The price is only 700 for this. Now we can again go back to the mask. The masks are really cheap to buy. This is just for 150 rupees only. You can see the mask. It is just for 150 rupees only. All the masks have been beautifully hand painted. This is the festive offer I'm running on. This is just for 150 only. All the masks. Then we have this black mask. This is really pretty. You can see the prettiness of the fabric, the designing of the fabric. It is just for 150 rupees only. So you have a lot of things to choose from. This is the feather design we have. It is again for 150 rupees only. You can see the work over here. So we have a lot of things to choose from. Even you can customize your clothes for hand painted stuff. The top I'm wearing, I have hand painted this top on my own. This is only for 150. This mask. It has been beautifully hand painted. So I'm sharing the details with you. To book your order, you can Paytm on my number. It's 97793 47046. And you can reach me on this number 9877252625. Only for 700. These are some of the creations I have done for some people who order. They have all been hand painted. You can see the work and the class of the fabric. This is pure silk, beautifully hand painted. You can book your orders if you want to get hand painted material, hand painted stuff. You can see the designing on the fabric. This is a multicolor dupatta. It has been made on order for someone. So you can also customize your designs accordingly. It is not for sale. It is just I'm showing one of my creations to you to book your order. Then we have this dupatta. It has also been made on order for someone. This has been again beautifully hand painted. You can see the designing on the fabric. It has been hand painted. It has been made on order for someone. So if you want to place your order, you can place on my number. I will share the contact details with you. It's all beautifully hand painted. You can see the work on the fabric. So this is another creation I have. This is also hand painted. It's pure silk fabric again. You can see the designs on the fabric and you can customize your clothing for the festive season accordingly. It is a beautiful design on the fabric. You can get your designs hand painted with us. You can see the work. This is all hand. Another thing that is for you is the tribal lady painting. It is just for 700 rupees only. Only 700. You can add it to your dining table. You can add it to your bedroom. You can see the specifications. It is on canvas. Only for 700. It's today's offer only. Diwali sale is there. It is only for 700. Then we have the no on deal. Only for 400 rupees only. This is on paper. Only for rupees 400. You can see we have variety of masks. This is only for 150 only. Then we have this mask. It is again for 150 rupees only. You can see the designing on the mask. Just rupees 150 for this beautiful hand painted. And then we have this. It is only for 150. So you have a lot of things to choose from. And I hope you like my beautiful collections and wish to get back to me again. It was a wonderful time on this group. And I hope you like my paintings collection. This is just for 700. This is a beautiful hand painting. It is a Diwali offer, so we are selling for only 700 rupees. This beautiful hand paint. And then we have stone. This is also hand painted. It is just for 700. This is just for 900 rupees. Triple line D. The beauty of this stone. It's pure silk fabric. You can see it's beautifully hand painted. This Radha Krishna is damn beautiful to add to your house. Just for 700. This Radha Krishna painting is just for 700 rupees only. It's pure canvas, beautifully hand painted, just for 700. And this elephant will add vibrant colors to your house only for 550. You can see only for 550. 550 is not a big amount to spend to your house. It's just for 550. You can see the work. This Buddha creation, this is on canvas. So this is for 700. The Buddha painting is for 700. Thank you so much. And then you have this. This is just for 700 rupees. You can see the work. It is just for 700. No on D, we have this hand painted abstract flower. 550 rupees only. It is just for 550 rupees only. You can see the abstract flower. It will add beautiful color to your walls. Just for rupees 550. And again, you can start with the beautiful mask I have. It is just for rupees 150. See, it has been beautifully hand painted. You can see the work. Just for rupees 150. This is again for rupees 150. This mask is also very beautiful. 150 rupees only. This design is also for 150. All the masks are flat at the rate of 150 rupees. It's pure silk fabric. You can see the work. It is again a mask. See. It is for 150 rupees only. You want me to turn the camera? I can turn the camera horizontally for you. See. The work on the fabric I can show you. These are the masks I have. This is just for 150 rupees only. You can see the work on the mask. It is just for 150 rupees only. See the work on the mask. Just for 150 rupees only. The mask have been beautifully made. You can see the work on the mask. Beautifully hand painted. Just for rupees 150 rupees only. See the work. It will look so beautiful on your face. Just for rupees 150. It has been beautifully designed. You can see the design on the mask. Just for rupees 150. This is all for 150. You can see the mask. All hand painted collection I have. I paint myself. This is also for 150. This has been all hand painted. See the beauty of the mask. It is all hand painted just for rupees 150 rupees only. If you wish to choose, you can take the screenshots. I have this black mask. This has been beautifully hand painted only for rupees 150. You can see the work. You can see these designs. They are silk masks and the fabric is very shiny. It is for 150 rupees only. You can see these designs. These are so pretty. 150 rupees only for each. You can see the work on the mask. All the flashy, glossy colors have been used. It is just for rupees 150. Then if you wish to have a look on the paintings again, we can have it. This is again a creation just for rupees 700. The mask have been a 3-layer mask I have. This is just for 700. These paintings, tribal lady painting. This is the Buddha I have. This beautifully hand painted just for rupees 400. It is on paper, so it is for 400. The masks are layered. It's a 3-layer mask. This is the Radha Krishna painting. It is just for 700. The price is just 700 rupees only. And we have this abstract flower. This is just for 700 rupees. You can see the collection. We have this elephant. Only this is for 550. I can show you another quality of the mask. There is inside silk fabric also being used in the mask. You can see the fabric. It is also pure silk from inside also. So you can check out. It's a 3-layer mask. This painting is only for 550. Then we have this creation. It is only for 700 rupees only. This is the landscape work. This is again very beautiful. Only for 700 rupees only for this beautiful canvas painting. And we have this lady one. This is only for 700 rupees only. All the paintings are for 700. Some are for 550. Some are for 400. This is again beautiful. It is only for 700 rupees only. And now this is the Buddha one. Only for 700 rupees only. This is the hand painted dupatta I was talking about to you. This has been beautifully hand painted. The dupatta itself. It is for 700 only with the jewelry. I can show you the jewelry also. You can see these jhumkas. It is with a pair of jhumkas and a mangtika. This is just for 700 rupees only, this deal. It is a beautiful deal you can make only for 700. If you wish to like, you can book your orders. You can see the work. And then we have the stole. This is a beautiful hand painted stole. You can see the gloss of the silk fabric we have used for this one. Only for 999. You can see the finishing of the fabric. It is just for 999. These are some of the designs I am making for someone. You can customize your clothing accordingly. These can be made on order if you wish to make. These are another creations I have. These have all been hand painted. If you wish to customize your clothes, you can customize them accordingly. This is another black dupatta. This has been made on order. So if you wish to book your order, please get back to us. Thank you so much for watching. I can share my contact numbers detail with you. This is my GPay and Paytm number. 9779347046. If you wish to continue with us, if you wish to buy us, and you can call me at 9877252625. Thank you so much for watching.